Hey there, fellow organizers. Welcome back to our channel, where we make tech simple and fun. Today, we're tackling something super useful in Google Calendar: adding notes to your events. Whether you're planning meetings, birthdays, or daily tasks in 2025, Notes can help you jot down important details like agendas, reminders, or even personal thoughts. This feature keeps everything in one place, making your life a lot easier. So, let's dive right in and get you set up. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Google account and have Google Calendar open on your computer or mobile app. It's the same straightforward process across devices, which is great for 2025's on-the-go lifestyle. To start, click on the date you want to add an event to, or if you already have an event, just select it from your calendar view. Once you're in the event details, look for the Description or Notes section. It's usually right below the event title. This is where the magic happens. Type in your notes just like you would in a text editor. For example, if it's a work meeting, you could add, "Discuss project updates and bring the report." Google Calendar even supports basic formatting, like bold text or bullet points, to keep things organized. After you've added your notes, hit the Save button at the top. That's it. Your notes are now attached to the event. On mobile, it's just as easy. Open the Google Calendar app, tap the event, and edit the description. Pro tip: use this for quick reminders, like, "Don't forget the cake for the party," to avoid any last-minute surprises. One more thing. If you're using Google Calendar in 2025, keep an eye out for any new AI features that might enhance note-taking, but for now, this basic method works like a charm. Remember, adding notes helps you stay on top of your schedule without missing a beat. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.